Wise account verification failed. Fix. If your Wise account verification failed, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the rejection reason. Open Wise and review why your verification was rejected. Step 2. Prepare correct documents. Use valid and expired ID like a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Step 3. Take clear photos or scans. Ensure the entire document is visible with no glare or blur. Step 4. Resubmit the documents. Upload the corrected documents carefully and check all details. Step 5. Wait for review. Wise may take a few hours to a few business days to review. Step 6. Contact Wise support. If verification keeps failing, contact Wise support in the app. Tips: use documents that match your registered name, avoid expired or damaged IDs, and keep copies for your records. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Wise account verification failure. Thank you for watching.